freelance writer, editor. There are thousands of blogs, startups, and businesses out there that need words for their websites, social media, newsletters, or sales pages. Here are the places you can start. One is create samples on Google Docs. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or Bloggers. Pitch clients directly on LinkedIn. Here is a pro tip. Use Grammarly for free to polish your writing. As you go, you can niche down, maybe writing for beauty brands or wellness blogs. Number two is become a visual assistant. If you organize log ticketing or to-do lists and know how to send an email, congrats, you're already a visual assistant material. Visual assistants help businesses with email and calendar management, customer service, social media scheduling, research or data entry. Here's where you can look at time ETC, Zidrop, reach out to entrepreneurs on Instagram or TikTok who look overwhelmed. Offer 5 hours per week to start. You can even charge between 15 to $50 per hour, depending on your experience. And the best part is you can set your own hours. Step 3 is sell digital products. This is the form of passive income. Make money once and people can buy it forever. Think of digital planners, affirmation cards, budget templates, visual board kits, and you can use Canva to design this and sell them on Etsy, Road, or Payhip. And if you're worried about being creative enough, trust me, simple sales start with a basic meal planner or journal prompts back. Step 4 is online tutoring or coaching. Do you know how to bake, braid hair, speak a language, or teach kids maths? That's a marketable skill. You can tutor online via Preplay, Cambly, or Superproof, or coach people directly through Zoom. Let me give you an example. My friend started a Saturday hair care class, teaching moms how to style their daughters' natural hair, and now it's a full business. So ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? That's your clue. Number 5, you can start a YouTube or a podcasting channel. YouTube has changed so many lives, and it can change yours too. If you enjoy talking, sharing ideas, or storytelling, you can start a channel or podcast right from your phone. What to talk about? You can talk about your motherhood journey, review books or beauty products, teach small business skills, talk about faith, love, or wellness. Monetization can come from ads, affiliate links, brand deals, and selling your own products. Just start, don't wait for perfection. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Don't sleep on this. And do not just take this as a random affiliate marketing program you've been listening to. Affiliate marketing means you can earn money promoting other people's products. You don't need to create anything. Just share a link, and when someone buys, you earn. You can do this through Instagram stories, blog posts, WhatsApp groups, YouTube product reviews. Example, promote skincare you love, books you read, or even online courses that change your life. You can sign up on Amazon Associates, share a sale, or impact to get started. Number 7 is remote customer service jobs. Big companies offer remote support roles that pay hourly or monthly. You don't need much experience, just empathy, communication, and a working internet connection. Check remote.co, we work remotely, or Indeed, and search remote customer support. These jobs are great if you want stable income with low stress. Number 8 is to sell handmade or custom products. Do you bead, make candles, design Ankara bags, clothes, shoes? Pretty much anything. Since you already have a business, start by creating 2 to 3 products. Use Instagram, Facebook, Marketplace, or a Paystack storefront if you're in Nigeria. Here is a bonus. Share your process on TikTok Reels to build an audience fast. You can even combine this with a YouTube channel to show tutorials and sell your items. Number 9 is print on demand. With print on demand, you design something once, like a quote, a piece of an art, a pattern, and a company prints it on your shirts, mugs, hoodies, journals, or even your phone cases. And the beauty part is you don't handle inventory or shipping. The company does that for you. Here are the sites you can use to print your products. Number 1 is Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. There are other tons of printing companies. Just do your research. You can use Canva to design and then promote it via Instagram, Pinterest, or blog.